Pleasant day, everyone. This is Dr. Michael Joseph Dino, the Director for Research Development and Innovation Center of the Our Lady of Fatima University. And I am pleased to share our DOST Preferred IDP program in the showcase entitled Pangarap, Pagsisikap, Pananaliksik, the multiple applications for Reality Virtual to Experience Laboratory na mas kilala sa tawag na Marvel. Lahat ng bagay ay nagsisimula sa simpleng konsepto at pangarap. In our university, we believe in technology to change the quality of life for good. In 2020, I coined the term innovations to refer to the new strategies and innovation in moving forward and upward, in furthering science and technology. As a scientist and professional, I believe in the value of motion, space, and innovation. Ang buhay ay umiikot sa paggalaw. For instance, we experience life through motion, just like how our heart pumps the blood to keep us alive and how our muscles move to accomplish our tasks. Movement is also seen all around us in navigating our dynamic world. The world is evolving and moving for progress. In the new era of the Fourth Industrial Revolution, space is also an important concept. During the COVID-19 pandemic, we discovered that the virtual space is a world with promising possibilities. Due to physical limitation and social distancing, we are encouraged to use the virtual world to meet and communicate and even teach our students important skills and competencies. As we navigate the post-pandemic world, we realize that the physical and virtual dimensions are intertwined. We can appreciate this synergy through the model on reality-virtuality continuum. Ayon sa paniniwalang ito, maaari tayong maglakbay sa physical, virtual at kombinasyon gamit ang makabagong siyensya. Ito ay makikita sa emerging technologies tulad ng virtual reality, augmented reality at mixed reality na kung saan ay gumagamit tayo ng teknolohiya upang maipakita ang virtual objects, suot ang mga headsets gaya ng VR glasses o paggamit ng cellphone. We consider a brighter future with these technologies. Based on recent studies, the next 20 years is promising for VR, AR, and MR, and the market is growing rapidly for these innovations, accounting to $1,000 billion in 2030, which is almost 50% from our current setting. Bilang dating mag-aaral na ngayon ay educator at researcher, ito ang aking inspirasyon upang itaguyod ang pag-aaral ng VR, AR, and MR at paunlarin ang industriya sa pagsisimula sa higher education sector. Nais kong ipakilala ang ganitong teknolohiya upang makapag-produce ng globally competent professionals. We started examining these possibilities 10 years ago in piloting simple technologies leading to the development of our proposed IDP program. In 2022, we developed the multiple applications for Reality Virtual to Experience Laboratory or MARVEL sa tulong ng DOST Preferred under the IDP program. It is a laboratory that develops and pilots extended reality technologies in different sectors, the first of its kind in the Philippines. The laboratory consists of the top-of-the-line equipment and facilities that empowers researchers and collaborators and provides a venue for studies in this field. Through this, we can develop technologies in exploring motion, space, and innovation. Using its mocap feature, we can create humanoid technologies and human simulators or actors for various applications in the virtual world. Initially, we proposed the development of virtual patients and environmental scenarios by developing Pinoy-driven virtual assets for virtual simulation in the academe. Ang aming pangarap at pagsisikap ay napagtagumpayan noong October 4, 2022 through an MOA signed between OLFU and DOST. Several months after, the Marvel Laboratory was inaugurated and presented to the public. Its facilities and capabilities were introduced to the media via DOST and other channels in social media. And we are showcased at the Shensikat episode on IoT and Fourth Industrial Revolution. We are now embarking on several studies to develop our initial outputs that we envision to make an impact in the society. This involves updating and recalibrating our university research agenda to include our strategies and procedures to adopt the Marvel facility. We are in the process of publishing our Manual of Standards and the initial projects in medicine and health, education and the society, and business and enterprise. Marvel Facility is a finalist in this year's THE Asian Awards for Technology and Digital Innovation and places our university in the Wurita 50 ranking in the Industrial Revolution category. We hope that this facility will continue to produce Philippine-based innovations in moving forward and upward and even lead in this field. We are in constant collaboration and communication with various sectors to align the needs of the industries for impactful products and outputs. We thank the UST Presured for this marvelous opportunity to share in this endeavor as we produce marvelous products and marvelous researchers in the months and years to come. Thank you for making our research and development vision a reality through the Marvel Facility na nagsimula sa pangarap, sinabayan ng pagsisikap, at ngayon ay pananaliksik. Thank you very much for your attention.